So what is a profit and loss income statement, and why is it important to your local small business? Well, in this 6-part series, we're going to walk through and help you understand how to read your profit and loss income statement. So hang in there. Let's do this. Hey, badass business owner. So let me ask you a question. What exactly is a profit and loss income statement? Well, a profit and loss income statement basically is like the report card of your business. It's going to show you the flow of money in and out of your business. And we're going to take a look at each of the sections. So for example, we have an income section right here at the top, and it's going to show you the money that's coming in to the business. Sometimes it's called sales, sometimes it's called revenue, but basically it's all the money that you're taking in to your business. Then we have a cost of goods section, sometimes called COGS. And here is where you're going to account for all of the parts that are associated with producing or providing product or service that you have. So it's just the stuff that goes into the making of it or the delivering of it, and not all the other expenses for running the business. Now, before we get to the expenses, there is this other little tiny line called a gross margin. And this is your sales minus your cost of goods. And here is where you're going to learn how much money you have in potential profit, as I call it. So this is the part where a lot of small business owners make the mistake of thinking they can put this money into their pocket. The reality is, no, you got to put that aside, because that's actually going to go down into our next two areas of our money. So make sure you do not mistake this number as something you get to keep. These are just potential profits, but you've got some other things that you need to take care of. Which brings us to the next section, which is your expenses. And these are the operational expenses to run the business. And there's a lot of different expenses that add up. Sometimes you might have an idea, well, it cost me about $2,000 to run my expenses. Well, the reality is there's a lot of little things that add up. And in one of our sections where we cover expenses, we'll talk a little bit about that to kind of show you how that kind of hurts you, because that's where people make a big mistake and cost themselves all kinds of money. And in your final section of your profit and loss statement, we have what's called the net ordinary income, or basically, your profit. This is where you're going to show if you made a profit or you lost money in your business for that month. So you can see that there's different sections, and the more you understand the different sections of your profit and loss statement, the more money we can work on trying to help you keep it in your pocket. So in the next few videos, we're going to break down each of those sections, and we're going to take a closer look at them. So this way you can kind of understand how to read it better, and you can feel like that badass business owner that I know you are. All right. Now, by the way, if you want to learn more about your business numbers, don't forget to go to the knowyourbusinessnumberscourse.com. Very inexpensive course. It allows you to be able to break this down, and we take a much deeper dive into it. And by the way, if you like what you see so far in the video, don't forget to click that thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe down below and click that bell if you want to be notified when the new videos come out. And don't forget to subscribe to the Badass Business Owner podcast, where each week we go through and give you different nuggets on how to make your business better. Now with that, get out there, be the badass that you know you are, and let's move on to the next video.